What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Neff from Nev's Tech Bits. Me, Ann, and Hulk Hogan. We love ourselves, and we want to show you about this really cool 20-watt panel. Now, I got this in a lot, and I was super happy with the lot. I want to say, if you want to get into solar, I definitely recommend that you check out this lot. No, Mr. Kitty, don't come over here. I'm trying to make YouTube videos, and I'll just end up petting you all day. I hate you. If you're new to solar, I definitely recommend that you get this pack because you got the panel. And what's super important, you have to have this thing, is the controller, the charge controller. So you hook that into the charge controller. The charge controller, you just automatically have the DC power. You don't have to keep yours in the cage. I just keep it here so the rain stays off. You definitely want to keep this stuff out of the rain. Mild rain won't hurt it much, but all right, here's my second unit. Much easier, nail it right to the wall. So here's where the solar dollar's going up, up, up. You want to have that someplace way up high. And then you have the battery. It shows you right there, right? You get the battery, and then you get the light. Now, I'll tell you about the light. The battery connects in. It gives you the alligator clips. You do not want those guys touching each other. You get all sparky pants, right? You get a readout right there showing you exactly how much you got in your battery. You can get a battery for about 20-30 bucks. You want to get I'd recommend RBC 17. I guess that's sealed lead acid. You want to get the ones they make for scooters, though. They can go all the way down to 0% charge up and not lose life. Why must you be cutting me off? I'm trying to show them solar. No, we don't want to see your butt. Okay, so if you're getting batteries, if you're getting car batteries, get a deep cycle. A marine deep cycle, they usually call them. Don't get standard ones. If you get a standard battery, hey kitty cat, then you can only use about 10% of it. If you use more than 10% of it, you're going to greatly diminish the life of the battery. Yeah. There are many different controllers that you can get. But it's definitely a fun setup, a nice lot. They're all over eBay. Check them out. Have a good one, folks. More importantly, take care of each other, will you?